Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Very pleasant day outside. I woke up with a terrible headache, drank some coffee, and now it's gone. One of those days. Today I'm gonna test out the TimeWrap feature of the GoPro 11 versus GoPro 10. I can sit here for a minute, and I noticed something strange happening with the GoPro Hero 11 shooting on 4K 60 with autoboost stabilization, because I guess this weird thing is kind of depends on the stabilization in some way. And what I noticed is the sides of the picture, left and right sides, are getting distorted, extremely distorted, and making the footage unusable at all. And it happened only on 4K 60 using auto boost stabilization on the Hero 11. So if you own the Hero 11, check that out if it happens to you. This is what I'm testing right now, and I will take a walk to see if it happens on this video as well. And if it does, I will be wondering if it's a firmware problem or a hardware issue, and hopefully it's just a software issue and it can get fixed with a firmware update, but I can't know until I see the footage. And if you have a GoPro Hero 11, please test it out. Again, 4K 60 with auto boost stabilization. I don't think the rest of the settings makes a difference, so test it out. Now to the video itself. I'm gonna test the TimeWrap feature with the Hero 10 and the Hero 11, just walking and shooting 4K TimeWrap video. The Hero 11 does support 5.3K resolution, but I will pass that out because I want to test the same resolution, but I will switch to 5.K later, and we'll see if there is a difference in quality. Yeah, so just for reference, Hero 11 is on 44% battery and Hero 10 is on 61% battery. this time I will shoot on boost mode and not on auto boost, and we'll see if that weird thing happens again. Shooting on linear mode. That weird thing happened on the wide angle lens. I'm pretty sure it depends on the stabilization and on the frame rate. So this is on boost. Let's see if it happens. And now 4K 60 with stabilization on, which means it's not a boost, it's not auto boost. So it's just a hyper smooth stabilization. Let's see if it happens on that case. So the test with TimeWrap mode, comparing the Hero 11 and Hero 10, is done. I only have low light test to have between the two, but if you have any more willing for more comparison tests between the two, just let me know in the comments. I will be happy to do some more comparison between the two. Yeah, if you have any more willing for tests between the two before I sell the Hero 10, if I sell it, let me know. Until then, see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.